Assalamu alaikum learners, how are you? I am Tahira from FW Model School. This is my fourth lecture for class 2 subject math topic addition. Today we are going to use addition skills about the place values. First of all, I want to explain counting. Here we have counting 1 to 10. And learner, you must learn counting in numbers and words. Next we discuss addition. Let us revise the concept of addition. First, what do you mean by addition? Addition is a process whereby we put objects together. Here we have another definition of addition. Addition is bringing two or more numbers together to make a new total. Addition is bringing two or more numbers together to make a new total. There are three balls, and if we add two more balls in it, tell me student, how many balls are together? Good. Thus the sum of the balls is equal to 5, because we know that 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Next we discuss these numbers and we add this number with the help of a number line, because number line is a very easier process to add the numbers and to subtract the numbers. For example, we have a number 2 plus 3 and we add this number with the help of a number line. In a number line we show the numbers 1 to 6. First we know that the first number is 2 and we move 0 to 2. Next we know that the number is 3 and we add 3 in 2 and we get a number 5. We know that 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Addition of whole numbers to find 2 plus 3, one with two objects and the other with three objects from their union, and count the total. For example, here we have 2 stars and if we add 3 more stars, tell me student, how many stars are together? 5. Very good. These are 5 stars. Next we discuss how we count and how we add the numbers with the help of a number line. Measurement model. In this model, the addition is performed on a number line. For example, to calculate 3 plus 4. Number 1, draw an arrow with the length 3 starting at 0. Number 2, draw an arrow with the length 4 starting from the end of the previous arrow. Number 3, the sum is then the length of the two arrows combined together this way. Next we discuss count from a number upward. Count from a number upward. For example, 6 plus 3. We use a jump strategy. To add this number. You can also count by 2s or 10s to make a jump. You want to help you to solve a calculation. For example, 4 plus 12. We know that in number 12 we have two digits, and in these digits 1 10 and we have 1 10 and 2 ones. In addition, first of all we add ones and we know that 4 plus 2 is equal to 16. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So 4 plus 12 is equal to 16 and we show this number on the number line. Alternative number line model for addition. In this model, a bunny is sitting above the number 0, which is its home base, facing right, which is the positive direction, and will jump forward if it has to perform an addition problem. First of all, our rabbit start at 0 facing right. Number 2, it then hops forward 2 units because it sees 2 in the beginning. Next, after this, the bunny has to jump 4 more steps forward because it sees 4, and we know that, and we add this number 2 plus 4 and we get another number is equal to 6. We know that 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. After this, the bunny has to jump 4 more steps forward because it sees 4. Since the bunny finally stop at 6, we know that 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Here other names of our addition are the numbers. Here we discuss, first of all I discuss the numbers are add. The numbers we add are called addend, and the numbers we get after adding is called sum. Next we discuss terms we used for addition. Number 1 sum, number 2 plus, number 3 increase, and number 4 total. Adding numbers with two digits. Adding numbers with two digit with one digit is pretty straightforward. Adding number with one digit is a simple way. In general, you can do it mentally or use finger. Adding 0 to a number never change the number. For addition, step 1, add the ones place number and take the carry to the next step. Now, step 2, add the tens place number and also add the carry and over the new carry to the next step. Continue this process for every place in the given number. Handy rules for addition. Here we have some numbers and we add this number. Number 1, add the rightmost column. if this column contains only one digit, we just write the digit under the column we are adding. Number 2, we need to go on to the next column and repeat the same procedure. In the above example, we add the ones column first, then we carry over the tens to the tens column. Then one that we carry over has a place value of tens. However, there is no need to write 10 because as we saw before, in place value, putting a 1 here in the tens place means that there is in 110. Here we have a word problem and we solve this question. A man sold 230 balloons at a carnival in the morning. He sold another 86 balloons in the evening. How many balloons did he sell in all? We know that he sold 230 balloons in morning and 86 balloons in afternoon. We add these number and get the sum. We know that 230 plus 86 is equal to 316. In 316 we have 6 ones, 110 and 300. Addition, adding in column, use no equal sign. Here we have a number 897 plus 368. We add this number with the help of a place value chart, and first of all we write this number according to their place value, then we add. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.